In this video, I will show you how to fix the permission denied error when you run a script file in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. Let's try to run the script. Type this command and press enter. Replace testscript.sh with your .sh file name. You will now see the error message, permission denied. This happens because the script file does not have permission to run. It is there, but the system is not allowed to execute it yet. To fix this, we need to give it permission to run. We do that by using the chmod command. Type this command showing on the screen and press enter. This command gives the file execute permission. Now let's try to run the script again. Type this command again. Now you should see your file content here. That means the script has run successfully and the problem is fixed. You have now learned how to fix the permission denied error when running .sh scripts in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.